Welcome back to the 23rd episode of Soup Sniper. Today we are making Mastava, a hearty traditional soup from Central Asia, especially popular in Uzbek cuisine. Mastava is sometimes called liquid plov, as it has almost the same ingredients as famous rice dish, with carrots, onions and meat, just cooked with more broth. One Uzbek legend says Mastava was invented by a shepherd during a harsh winter. The story goes that he had only a small piece of beef, a few vegetables and some rice. He cooked everything together with water to make it last several days, but when travelers passed by, he decided to share the soup with them. This reflects the Central Asian tradition of hospitality, where feeding guests, even strangers, was considered a sacred duty. In reality, Mastava was the Silk Road's merchant survival soup, filling soup that could feed many tired travelers transporting silk to Europe with very little food. We start cooking by heating hefty amount of vegetable oil in our pot. You can use olive oil to enhance the flavor, but I went with traditional option, rapeseed oil. When hot, add beef and fry it until it gets golden brown. Add salt as well to help extract all the water from the meat and speed up the process. When beef is done, it's time for onions and garlic. Fry them together for 5 to 6 minutes with occasional mix, and then add potatoes, carrots, and green and red sweet paprika. Mix everything nicely. Then add tomato paste and 2 crushed tomatoes with their juices. Of course, you can use 2 fresh tomatoes cut in cubes as well. Combine it well and then cover with water. Now add our spices consisting of coriander, cumin, pepper, sweet paprika and salt. Mix it up. Cover with a lid and let it cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then open pot, put rice inside and cook for additional 20 minutes. Taste the soup and if needed add more salt. Leave it on a stove for a few minutes and it's done. I served it with some sour cream, which is delicious, but yogurt or kefir would be a bit more traditional. Thanks for watching, and as always, I wish you all the best.